screen but don't have the space or can't afford one, then you need Personify Chromacam. This program will allow you to use your laptop webcam or any other webcam that you may have with a green screen effect. It's available for free to use forever with watermark, or you can buy the Chromacam Pro for a one-time fee of $30. Check it out in the description below. Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 free programs to help you manage your files on Windows. So up for the first program, just imagine you are looking for a file on Windows. So you use the Windows search function and well, it's slow or doesn't find it. Well, I got the solution for that. The solution is called Void Tools Everything. And what it will allow you to do is search your entire hard drive, all your drives, in a matter of a few seconds. So here's what the program looks like, and it will show you like how many files you got on your computer. So I have over 800,000 files on this computer. That includes all the system files and all. And out of those out of those 800,000 plus files, I want to find a single document. And I know it has upload in the title, so I just type in upload here at the search bar. I can sort by the date modified if I know about when I modified it, or I can sort by name or by path. Since I know what drive it's on, I'll go ahead and I'll sort by path. And there we go. I find 2 files. And so I can open up this file. I just right click and I can open it up, or I can delete it, I can rename it, I can do a lot of stuff to the files just from this program. It's pretty nice. So there we go. That is one program to help you find files in Windows. But what if you're wanting to clean files on Windows, your temporary files? Well, I got another solution for you. It's called BleachBit. It will help you erase your browser history, your temporary files, and all that stuff pretty easily. So we can go through, and here we go. It will even help you delete Windows Update uninstallers. And Windows Defender stuff. Now, you don't want to have this checked if you want your Windows Defender antivirus to remember stuff that you allowed. But so here is like the suggested boxes I would check if you're wanting to keep your internet browser safe from wiping everything. Just the ones that you use the most, perhaps in my situation. I'll use Chrome based ones the most, so everything in Chrome is set to not be wiped. I can wipe that when I want. Also Firefox is set to not be wiped. I set up Opera so that it gets wiped. It has a VPN and all, so maybe if I want to go find a torrent, I can use that instead. And if I can't access a certain site because it's blocked, like at the public hotspot at the library or something, then I can use Opera for that. But I set it up so that all that browsing history gets erased every time. So, and of course, you can have your recently used images in Paint disappear from that recently used list. You can delete system temporary files and all that stuff, and pretty easy to just preview what would go away, or after it's done scanning, it will tell you how much space you can free up. So like there you go. I can free up, over a gig worth of space with this program. If you click clean, it basically it will skip preview and it will just go right on to deleting it. But there you go. That is BleachBit, and you can get BleachBit at bleachbit.org. Void Tools Everything, you get that at voidtools.com. You can download the 64-bit installer if you're on a 64-bit system, which if your system is fairly new, then it probably is. Like anything after 2012 is very likely 64-bit. probably even earlier than that. I don't know exactly when they started the 64-bit systems, but yeah. Here's where you can get BleachBit. You go to bleachbit.org and you can go to the download page. Oh, by the way, this is pretty funny too. You can help support BleachBit by buying this cloth or something. I mean, it's pretty funny. I mean, it's microfiber, so like you can wipe your screen or whatever with it. But yeah, August 2015, Hillary Clinton was asked, "Did you wipe your email server?" She basically replied, like with a cloth or something. A year later, we found out that cloth was BleachBit, a software application that deletes information so even God can read it, as Congressman Trey Gowdy announced in 2016. But yeah, there you go. You can buy these, you can get them autographed, and yeah, it's pretty funny. And here is where you can get the version for different OSs. So like, it's available for Linux or Windows. If you want the Windows one, you can get it as an installer or a portable edition, a zip file, or English only installer. So that is BleachBit. And then for the last program, we have WindorsStat. What it does is it will analyze your storage to determine what's taking up the most space, and it will give you a visual graph of it. So like, for example, this, like I don't have a lot of space on my programs drive, which stores all my games and stuff, so I can let it scan that. Oh, I also have it scanning my word cache, which is used for like recording this video to it. And it's on solid state storage, so it has better reads and write speed, so that's what I have that little partition for. So when I'm recording a video, I don't get as much lag with it. Of course, the game is on the slow mechanical hard drive inside the program's drive, but yeah. Give it a bit to scan, and I can show you exactly what it looks like after it scans. Of course, with bigger drives that have more files, it will take longer to scan. Well, that's taking a while to scan, so we'll go ahead, we'll close that, we'll reopen it, and we'll give it a smaller drive to scan. Instead of scanning programs, just scan that drive. And there we have it. You can select a certain drive, and it will show you the size of the stuff inside. So if you like click on these blocks, the bigger ones are using up more space. And of course, different drives have different colors. So like if I click on this one here, I can see that this is a video file that I've recorded. Then I can open it up in Explorer, and there it is. Or this file down here. It looks like it's also MP4 as well. Yep, all of these MP4s, just different ones. And it was just gives you the size and the percentage of space that it's using. And this is a pretty handy program that will help you manage your files. You can also delete the files too if you want. So like, say I don't need this, I can just delete it to the recycle bin, or I can permanently delete it. which isn't really necessarily permanently, but it's actually, we do have one more program that we will show you. We showed you how you can delete files, your temporary files and stuff. What if you delete a file permanently, but you want it back? Well, it turns out it's not necessarily really permanently. You can recover that file that you want with this program called Recover. And so like we can search for like music in a specific drive. So for example, or a specific folder, we will tell it to search in my work cache. No, not my work cache, but my work folder inside of the production folder. Alright. So you can give it a deep scan if you want. But we'll go ahead and we won't do the deep scan. We'll just do this basic scan, and it found nothing. Alright, so if it didn't find anything, then we'll close it. We'll just reopen it, and we'll give it the deep scan. Of course, you don't have to have the wizard show, but this wizard makes everything pretty easy to find. Actually, let's go ahead, let's do a search for all files in that folder, in that same folder. What's been deleted? Actually, let's do a search in there, right in there, inside the production folder. Enable to deep scan, and there we go. As you can see, it'll take a longer time if you enable the deep scan, but it's still not too bad. Now to get this program, you can just do a search for Recover. Okay, right there, cccleaner.com/recover. And there's a free version and there's a pro version. The free version has some limitations on it, but it's probably the only thing you really need, unless you have like a virtual machine. Maybe you need virtual hard drive support and automatic updates and premium support, but otherwise the advanced file recovery of Recover will be just fine. About 35 seconds left on the scanning. Go ahead. We'll wait just a little bit. $20 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Here's what it found, and it will tell you like whether or not you can recover it or cannot. So like this, it says unrecoverable. And of course, when you recover it, you want to do it to a different drive than what you set it to. Alright, so that said it was unrecoverable. Let's go ahead and go to that drive. And let's see if it recovered it. It was unable to recover that file. But it at least told us that it couldn't recover that file. I mean, it said unrecoverable. Over here we have these other files that are recoverable. These are all temporary files though, so we don't need to test on those, but like the other day I deleted like some of my graphics or music on accident, and I was able to get it back with that file. I was reworking the organization of my work drive, which is this drive here, and where I store videos and my assets for my channel and stuff.
Well, you know what the most frightening thing in the world is?
I can delete those permanently. I don't need those.
Gotta be fucking
Everything in here can go away. But alright, there we go. That's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the links in the description below to find those products and some other products that may help you manage your computer or do other things. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.